Okay, you've got the best content, you've got the best audio. Now let's talk about sound. Well, there's not much to talk about because I have got you covered. I have all the sound ready for you, and some of the best ones, some of the most requested ones, because they keep asking us, what sound is this? What sound is this? And of course, we don't want to give our secrets, but now we will do it, right? We will do it here. But for sound, there's a few stuff I want to tell you. Number one, it is crucial. It is so crucial. It is highly stimulating. These whooshes, these fireballs, these explosions, they engage some part of your brain that you don't even know about, some subconscious part of your brain. It's highly stimulating. It prevents the viewer from leaving from your video. And if you're doing shorts, right, you don't even need epidemic sounds. Just use our library and just go at it, because for shorts, you don't need to license music, nothing. It's no problem. But if you're doing long videos, say you have a website, a blog, I would recommend purchasing epidemic sounds, because all this music, you'll never have problem. You'll be able to earn money. The music you'll be using is licensed, and I think that is pretty much it.